Hello, welcome to this instructional video. My name is Hal. This video will prepare your laptop to attend SANS 573 AI-powered security automation. Artificial intelligence can do many amazing things, but at least for now, we still need you humans to click a few buttons for us. First, log in to the SANS portal and access the course content section of your account dashboard. Next, download both the Linux virtual machine and ISO. Click or double-click the ISO to mount it as a new drive on your computer. You will find a Windows virtual machine on the root of the mounted drive. Now, copy both your Linux virtual machine and your Windows virtual machine 7-zip files to your desired location on your computer. Next, you will expand the 7-zip files. This could take a long time. Once it is finished, open them in VMware and boot up the virtual machines. Finally, in your Linux virtual machine, you will activate your Python virtual environment and run the update script as shown here. Your virtual machines are now ready for the start of class. You can now pause your virtual machines and head to class.